Hi, and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, I have here a nice panel of judges with me.
Hello.
Marshall, Sangeetha and Lakshmi.
Hello.
Well, we all love ice cream, obviously.
Of course.
But, you know, shop bought ice cream can be very high in refined sugar with a lot of other nasties added to it that you may not really want to keep putting into your body. So I've made my own vegan, healthier Magnum ice cream, and I've got my judges here to taste a store-bought Magnum and one that I've made of the same variety, and we'll see what they think.
So this is a Magnum. It's a classic Magnum. I'm going to bite into it. It tastes like what you think a Magnum would taste like. Now that I've tried that, I'm going to try the one that Susan made. So my first impression is, let me have one more impression. They're actually not that different in taste, which I think is a good thing.
Yeah.
But immediately I noticed that this one is a little bit more sugary. And this one has a different texture, slightly, but like I said, still there's the same taste. And I like Magnum, so I thought that was, yeah.
Yay!
So I have a Magnum almond flavour. So I'm going to try the original from the shops first. Quite nice. It doesn't taste that almondy. I think there's just a few like bits of almond in the chocolate layer. And it already feels a bit sweet for me, but because I don't eat that much sweet stuff. But I'll try my mum's almond one. Already I can taste a lot more almond flavour, which I think is good. I mean, if you're going to call it an almond ice cream, you should probably put almond in it. But yeah, I can already taste the almond. It tastes a lot more stronger and a lot more natural as well. The ice cream tastes a lot healthier as well. in a good way. But yeah, like I would go for this one because I don't like that much sweet food that much. And it just tastes a lot more flavorful as well. It doesn't taste chemical, it tastes pretty natural.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone, so we are here at the fabulous taste testing. And I have been given the Magnum salted caramel. So I'm going to give this a try. Let's get right in there. I got braces, so don't mind me. Great crunch. It's some really good creamy flavors coming through here. And the chocolate complements very well with the cream filling in the middle. Oh. Okay, so when you get into the creamier part, you can really taste that salted caramel, and it is a bit of a sugar hit. So if you're not really a sweet tooth, I'm more of a savory person, you're definitely going to notice that. But yeah, overall, it's a nice treat. Sometimes when I eat sugary things, I can feel a bit of an afterburn in the back of my throat. It's not too bad. It's a little bit like that, but it's not too bad. But yeah, it's quite nice. So now I'm going to try the one prepared by Lavender Coco Kitchen. So this is again a vegan, just like the other one, but it has been made very health consciously. So let's give this a try. So already I can see that the texture is different. This is more rustic and raw, whereas the other one is very smooth. So you can already tell that there should be some really good quality natural ingredients in here. So let's give it a taste. Oh wow. Okay, this is interesting. So when I'm actually tasting this chocolate coating is very different to the flavor of the other one. So I'm getting like a pack of flavor punch just bursting in my mouth. There are so many more flavors in this one than I was getting in the other one. The other one was more one composite type of flavor. This has got, there's a few things coming through. Almost like a bit fruity as well, which is interesting. Oh wow, the filling is very delicious. There's like, it's like a caramel explosion. It's really good. It's not the same texture, like it's seems slightly a little bit more watery, whereas the other one's a bit more thicker, but that flavor, you cannot deny the flavor that's coming through this. This is really delicious. And I guess, you know, if you want to be more health conscious, or you really love sweets and you don't want to get some health issues down the track, you're gonna love this. You're not gonna be disappointed. There's a really good flavor in here, and I feel happy knowing that if I do eat a few of these, it's not gonna be as crazy as eating something that's more commercialized and made in a factory. So I really love that about this. Very, very good. Very, very pleased.
So, what's the final verdict?
I think we should throw these ones in the bin. That's my final verdict.
Sangeetha, your final verdict.
I'm gonna have to go with the healthier one because
Oh,
there's more flavour, and the other one's a little bit too sweet for me.
right. And Lakshmi, what would you say?
So I have to say, I was always a fan of Magnum growing up. It was my favorite ice cream. And I love that they've come out with a vegan range, because now that, you know, we don't consume dairy, it's really awesome that they're trying to do that. But for me, I would definitely say if you can get over the texture issue, I would be going with the healthier option. It's super tasty, and I actually like the texture, extra crunch in the mouth, which I love. And you've got some really good flavor in there.
Yay. So
Cheers.
let's go back. Alright, so before we go, I have made a strawberry magnum and a white chocolate magnum, which are not yet available in vegan flavours, so I've made my own vegan ones. So who would like to try one of these?
Yes.
Made from organic strawberry, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. I've never actually seen something like that, because the texture, like Lakshmi was saying before, is very different.
Yeah.
But it's like strawberry, the how do you call it? The shell?
Yeah.
I thought that was pretty cool. And it tastes like organic, like an organic strawberry shake, but like in
Yeah.
ice cream form.
It tastes like when you actually go to like an ice cream store and they have like actual strawberry mixed through the mixture. So it tastes, because like so many places, I mean brands, when they do strawberry flavored things, it's really artificial.
Yeah, it's not.
And it's not really like a strawberry.
No, it's
But
not.
this is actually like, you put a strawberry in here.
Yeah.
I have the delight of tasting the new white chocolate ice cream. So let's give this a go. Already, that is a very cool artistic looking texture on the outside. It's very appetizing, so let's get into it. I don't know why, but it's reminding me of banana.
Maybe it's the color.
That's nice. And there's no sugary afterburn. So I'm not really, as I mentioned before, a huge sweets person. So I like this because it's not overly sweet, and you really get that raw texture and rawness of those natural flavors coming through, which you might not always get in commercial grade products. So that is pretty awesome.
Well, I'm very pleased with that result. So like everyone said, if you really want to eat a lot of ice cream, it may be worth making your own.